Hey there, I'm Dennis Kintzer, founder of The Overflow. I'm a faith-based financial coach and speaker who helps churches and believers rediscover the joy of giving by first learning how to win with money, God's way. Because let's be honest, generosity isn't just a giving problem. It's a money problem. And for too many people sitting in the pews, financial stress has become normal. But here's the truth. God never called us to live in debt, anxiety, or even scarcity. He called us to manage His blessings wisely, to build wealth, bless others, and live in overflow. That's why I created The Overflow, a movement helping churches strengthen financial faith and equip believers to manage money with purpose, discipline, and joy. Through my free talk entitled Tithe, A Journey of Faith, I share my own story of financial transformation and the biblical principles that help me go from struggle to stability to abundance. If your heart's stirring right now, I'd love to connect. Click the button below. You can schedule a quick 15-minute discovery call. There is no pressure, no sales pitch, nothing to sell, just a conversation about how the overflow can serve your church and your people. And because generosity starts with giving, I'm offering every partner church a special 50% discount to their congregation for my coaching resources, just as a way of saying thank you for leading faithfully. Because when believers master their money, the kingdom thrives.